Hello guys. May ganyan na ba kayong electric fan guys?
Replace lang.
Tingnan nyo guys. Ano tingin nyo dyan guys? Comment kayo guys. Kung may ganyan kayo guys. Kung alam yung anong yan. Anong klaseng electric fan yan guys? Electric fan kayo dyan. Ibang style na electric fan guys. Ayan yung uso ngayon guys. Bagong uso yan guys. Electric fan guys.
Test na baning.
Comment na lang kayo guys ha. Kung may ganito kayo guys. Bagong style to guys. Thank you for watching guys. Salamat. Salamat sa pagpanood sa bagong labas na electric fan guys.